All right, this is a quick video to demonstrate how to use Screencastify and give you some suggestions of the ways that you might want to use it for your classroom. The first thing you need to know is that Screencastify is a Google extension that you can use with Google Chrome. Once you have the extension installed in Google Chrome, it shows up in the toolbar up here. I'm going to click on it, and the first thing you have to decide is whether you want to have the embedded webcam or not. So you have the option. You can record an entire screen or a window within a screen, and you can record just the computer view or just the webcam view, or you can embed the webcam, and that will put a small video of you in the corner. I'll show you what it looks like. So once you start the recording, notice how the video shows up down here in the corner. That's a really good idea, by the way, because helping to connect your students to the teacher. All right, especially when they don't know you as well. Like, as they get to know you, they're going to recognize your voice way more. Okay, so you choose which screen you want. I have more than one screen, so you could also choose a window if you wanted, but I'm going to choose this screen. Okay, you can hear it starting. The beeping noise is telling you it's about to start, and it already did start for me. Right here at the bottom, notice how it says Screencastify, the screen video recorder is sharing your screen. What that means is it's recording. Okay, and here's the beauty of this. It will record everything that's within this screen that I have highlighted right here. So, what you can do is do a little preparation, and I have now prepared these tabs along the top, as you can see. One thing is I could take my kids to my Google Classroom. I could explain to them what I want them to do by showing them the screen. I could say to them, click on the classwork tab, go scroll down till you get to this, or let me go back to my classes. You might be in a 5th grade classroom, and you might say, click on the classwork tab, scroll down and look for the shadow length project. Let me show you another example of what you might do. You might, for example, have prepared a video by queuing it up to the point where you want it to be. And I'm going to now play that video. Okay, so this is a way to get the video right to the point where you want it to be, so they can see exactly what you want them to see while you're talking to them. Okay? You might also, for example, share with them, let me take you to a place like, to a freshwater ecosystem, for example. Here's another queued up video.
The water in streams and rivers may flow from melting ice or snow.
Okay, so this is just a way for you to queue up things, get them ready. You might have a Google Sheet that you want them to fill out, so now you can explain in the video how to fill out this Google Sheet. All right, so Screencastify, what is it? It's a device, an extension actually, that connects to Google Chrome that you can use to record a window or an entire screen of your computer. And the good news is that while you're recording it, you can do a voiceover, and that means just explaining things to students. You could use a whiteboard application and demonstrate a problem. You can do there's many different options with Screencastify. All right, if you need help with this, let me know. By the way, when you're done, you're going to click down here and say, stop sharing. When it stops sharing, here's what it's going to do. It's going to automatically save the video for you to your own hard drive in a folder that's pre-made for that. Now, you can do several things. You can, by the way, I'm sorry, I meant to say this is going to be shared on your Google Drive, not your hard drive. And so you can make a shareable link. So that means that you can link to, you can post this link in, for example, your Google Classroom, and then you can share with your students that link, and they can go directly to your Screencastify. By the way, I'll unmute this, click on the classroom, and this is showing what we just. All right, it'll give you a preview of the video. You then can share it in several different ways. You can put it on your Google Classroom. You can publish it to YouTube if you have a YouTube channel. You can get an embedding code. You can generate a QR code. You can send it via email. Let's see. download options, you can export it as an MP4 file, which is a standardized video file format, and you can get just the audio if that's what you want. I'm not sure why you would want that, to be honest. And then you can just download the file and store it on your hard drive if you want. Okay, so there's a lot of different options for you. I'm going to, you also have the option to open it in the editor, which gives you some limited editing options that I'm not going to go into right now, but that's only for the paid version. Okay. Okay. So if you need help using this tool, and I'm going to take this one and throw it away just for now because I don't want that one. And you'll notice here's all of my recordings that are automatically saved for me in my Google Drive. All right. Hope this helped. If you need some help, let me know.